A few weeks ago, we had the pleasure of filming at La Boucherie in Orlando with a few friends and colleagues of mine. And one of them, Rich Wagner from Stratus Roofing, explained to us why Stratus is one of the premier roofers in the Orlando and Central Florida area, not only for consumers, but for their own team as well. Rich explained a lot of things about Stratus, one of them being why he believes it will be his permanent career home.
So I don't consider myself part of the team. I consider myself at Stratus as part of the family. As we said earlier, Stratus is owned by 3 families, but when you're hired at Stratus, they are welcoming you to their family. So from day one, you are part of that family and they make you feel like family, you know? So I have my wife and my daughter at home. I have my Stratus work family. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. I've worked for Fortune 100 companies, large companies where you get lost and you're just a number. Stratus, you know what? You're family. And the greatest thing about Stratus is we have a wall of pictures in our office that are all of our families. My wife and my daughter and myself, we have our picture. All the owners have pictures of their families. So we get to walk by this every day and see why everybody comes to work every day. We go to work because of our families, to support our families. And I get to go work for my second family, which is absolutely amazing, and see who, for what I do and the effort that we all put in on a daily basis to make Stratus the best roofing contractor in the country, in our opinion, we get to see who we're working for every day. I'm working for this family, I'm working for this family. Everything we do all falls back to family. Stratus, our motto is leading the construction industry by putting people first. And that's exactly what we do, and that's what makes us amazing. I mean, it makes it amazing to walk through. During COVID, probably the hardest time when everybody's working from home, we could not all be together in our office working together, which drove us all crazy because we, at the end of the day, are a family and wanted to be around each other. So Stratus, it's a family, and we want to treat all of our clients and our partners and whoever we work with, we welcome them to the Stratus family and make them all part of our family.
You stole my follow-up question from me. How does that translate through to working with the consumer?
Yeah, they're your family, and they get pictures on our wall too. I mean, you know, from homeowners to, so it's pretty much homeowners, but you know, we'll take pictures of them in the home, the new roof that we just put on their home. We'll take a picture of that family, and they actually make it onto the wall in Stratus' office as well. So we see, this is who we did our work for. This is who we're protecting. It's the most important part of your building. And you know what? We're just fortunate and grateful enough to be chosen to protect your home, your loved ones inside, and all of your valuables, you know? So we feel that, you know what? You're part of our family now. You deserve a place in our office and on our wall, so we see what we do every day. From a roofing perspective, we see a lot of people thinking they have an insurance claim on their roof, and many insurance company or roofing company out there saying, yes, you do, right? So prime example for me, I'm a roofer. I had a roofer knock on my door in my neighborhood. It was canvassing our neighborhood about 2 weeks ago. Didn't know who I was, and so he comes up to me and he's like, oh, there was a hailstorm in your area 2 weeks ago. And I'm like, okay, so I had to hear him out. And he's like, you have damage to your roof, so you know, we can get you a new roof for $1,000. And so I had to break his heart and told him that I was actually a roofer. But you know, these guys are out there every day just preying on people, saying, there was a storm here, we can get you an insurance claim. So in my opinion, I mean, I don't know how they do it. That's not something we would ever do. We do insurance work, I will not lie. Stratus Roofing, we do insurance work, but unless we're 95% sure that there is an insurance claim on that roof, we will not do it. So others, I can't speak for really, but that's what we see in the industry. So what you need to look for in a roofing contractor, never be afraid to ask for their business license, ask for their certificate of insurance, ask for references. I mean, don't ask, most companies are gonna give you their best references ever. Tell them you wanna speak to people that weren't so happy with them. Do your research. Google, you know, is a great tool. Look at the Better Business Bureau. Look at Angie's List, especially in residential, because Angie's List is pretty good at that, and we'll let you know. They get a lot of great reviews there. Hopefully have transparency with you and able to talk about their company and not trying to hide anything from you.